What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and it's time for another massive tech unboxing. This one is number 29, so 30 is right around the corner, but y'all know the deal. Go grab your snacks, grab your drinks. So we got a lot of tech to open up. So, Ari,
yes.
What we going for, baby?
I like the one with the major one.
This one? Okay, close. I like that. All right, so can I move this gigantic one? Like, give me a second. All right, now I knew what was inside of here. So Main Gear, if you don't know, oh snap, there's more. So Main Gear makes gaming PCs, all kinds of PCs. They actually made one of the PCs for the Gamer's Paradise, the original Gamer's Paradise. But they also started coming out with a bunch of other accessories, and this is a backpack that they came out with, and I am pretty hyped because they sent two of them. I was actually having a hard time picking between the two colors, and they were dope enough to send both. So shout out to Main Gear, thank you. This one, which is maybe not as practical, because it is white, black, and red, and it looks so clean. Like this is exactly. This is one of those backpacks. Like if you just want to stunt for one day or two, you know, you grab this. Oh, that new backpack smell! My gosh. Now, what I like about these backpacks is they've actually got a really low-key design. But if you zip it open, they actually have quite a few compartments. You even have a Nintendo Switch compartment. So you've got the Switch label there. You got like a little tablet, laptop. So I'm actually pretty excited to rock these. This might be the everyday, and then this one is just like when I'm trying to stunt, you know? But what's also cool, one last thing, there's a tile inside of the backpack. So if you've got your tech, your Switch, your games inside of here, you happen to misplace it or you don't really know where it is, you could have your tile go off from your phone, find your backpack, and you're reunited. Now let's see what else we have. Jay, my man.
This one.
Oh, the one I just put down? All right, this one's kind of big, so I'm gonna open it over here. So what we've got right here, guys, this is a booth for taking product shots. I don't know, I might take pictures of my Gundams after I finish building them or something, you know?
Okay.
Don't do that, don't do that. So for us hobbyists out there, and for those of us who have businesses, this is cool. Dang, and it just pops right open like that. Why would we put Cookie in?
To get good pictures of her.
She's not a product. We don't need her in a white background. But yeah, so you can go in here, open up this flap, you put your camera inside. So the plug is stored right at the top, as well as the instruction manual. Yo, my hand's kind of ashy. Lotion break. All right, so we see a little flap over here to plug it in. Boom. As you guys can see, lights all up in there. Like, yo, let me show you guys. I got my boy Trunks over here. I can change the angle too. Oh, okay. And there's one even here. So I can get exactly what I want. Now, I would probably have to smooth out the background and bring this down a little bit so it can all be seamless. But that's a nice clean photo. I like this, whether or not you like it or not.
As long as it stays in the studio, we're good.
I'm bringing this home.
No.
No? All right. Oh, and it just collapses so easily. Carl, don't even look at this big box.
Right here.
This guy. All right, so this one's from the P.O. box. Let's hope it's something good. All right, so what we've got here is a device that helps you listen to podcasts in the shower.
Just don't be disconnected.
Yeah. Who needs time to think? Okay, so this is pretty cool. You'll put this thing on the wall in the shower against the tile. You press this guy down so that it can have suction and stay in place. And you put your phone there and you're able to watch whatever you want, like YouTube or listen to a podcast. I like this. And we've got 4 of them. So if you guys want to check this out, it's called the Float. My turn. Okay, so let's see what's in this guy. So it looks like a power cable with multiple heads. Also, this thing pretty much covers everything. Let's take it out. You got a nice braided cable and it's 3 meters. So you can go ahead and detach these different adapters. So you got the micro USB, you got lightning, and you got a USB and USB-A. And it supports fast charging. Very good, very good. Oh yes. Jay found this one actually. So this is an interesting surge protector. You guys can see that this design is not a conventional design. So this thing could be placed on a desk or even like a small partition, like a wall or something. So let me actually pull it out. So we've got 6 wall outlets over here, and you also have 4 USB ports. This would work something like, let's see, like this. Bam. So you got your USB ports, but if you want to plug things in, you've got all of your outlets over here. And this could be really useful to just have one cable go into the wall outlet, and everything else that you may have on your desk setup, you can just kind of run it underneath the desk and plug it into this guy. That way you're not dealing with hiding a bunch of cables down the leg of a desk or something. You just hide it under the top of the desk. I like this a lot. Good find, Jay. Now this is something we picked up from a little trip to Micro Center. So what we've got right here, guys, is the Republic of Gamers Bezel Free Kit. Now you might be wondering, what is a Bezel Free Kit? They basically came out with this device or contraption to have on multiple monitor setups so that you can get rid of that little black bezel so that you can have a nice seamless look. I don't know how much this is gonna work. I don't know if it's worth it to have like this thing here. Let's pull it out and you guys can take a look at it. And maybe we could try it out with this monitor setup that we've got going on over here. So we've got multiple pieces to it. Okay, and there are 2 of these guys. So there are 4 of these and 2 of these. So if you have a triple monitor setup, you can have 2 of those bezels hidden. That's good to me because this thing costs like $109. So it's really, really expensive. What? I don't know, y'all. If any of you guys were able to make that thing work and you like it, send me a picture on Twitter or Instagram or something. I want to see for myself. All right, so let's go with this guy. Okay, so what we've got over here, guys, is a cool little USB solar watch charger. So if your watch charges using solar power, like if you have like a G-Shock watch or something like that, you can go ahead and use this little guy to emulate, I guess, solar power. This thing has no juice right now, bro. Okay, so I've got a little portable charger here. Boom. So that's the idea, guys. You'll go ahead, have that on, and I think you would also put one of these rubber stops so that the light doesn't bleed, and if you're, going to bed at night, it's not gonna bother you. And then you just put your watch on this. Now, obviously, my Apple Watch does not charge using solar power, but this is how it would work. This is gonna be cool because I do have a G-Shock watch that I use often, and this is gonna be a nice way to charge it instead of, kind of leaving it by the window. Oh, nice. Speaking of charging watches, so here we've got a little something from the folks over at Satechi. So this is an Apple Watch charger. Now this is interesting because it's a tiny little module that you can plug in using USB Type-C. So if you have like your MacBook Pro or anything that uses a USB Type-C port, even like an iPad Pro, you plug it in and then you throw your Apple Watch onto it. I gotta demonstrate. Let me go get my iPad. All right, so if we wanted to go ahead, plug this guy in, boom. Hey, there we go. I like this. I like this a lot because I always tend to forget my Apple Watch charger. It's not something I keep track of, but this is gonna go in my little tech pouch and it absolutely earns a spot in that. And it comes with a little USB cable if you need something a little bit longer, you don't want it hanging right off of the device. Boom. The big one?
Fine.
All right, now we go for the big one. No take backs. This is from the P.O. Box. No idea what this is. They did not cheap out on the tape. Is that my logo? Is that my logo? Oh, now I'm excited. I'm just gonna break down this box. Ari, you are not strong enough. I am not strong enough. All right. Oh, carbon fiber. This is from a company called Pitica. I'm curious as to what's inside of here. But as you can see, this is UAC logo and whatnot. But yeah, what could they have possibly sent me? So this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max case. I've used one of their cases in the past and I really liked it. Hey, that's clean. This thing doesn't take up any space at all. Looks really good. Yo, my hands are so dirty from these boxes. We gotta do a better job of cleaning these boxes before I open them.
Oh wow, that feels nice too.
Yeah.
Nice texture.
They do. iPhone 11 Pro. Here you go, baby.
No wonder it's in carbon fiber. That's so cute. Oh yeah.
Oh, it matches your outfit too? All right, baby, you stunting on them? But let's see what else they got. They got this 2-in-1 wireless charging stand. Oh, so they sent a case for the AirPods Pro. Oh, I actually like this. I would have liked it a little bit more if this logo were in the back of the case instead of the front. Because, you know, you want a clean look up front. This is the Mag Case Pro. So I'm guessing this is their more heavy duty case if you want that carbon fiber look. So they have an AirPods power bank case. So this is a case for the AirPods, but it also charges them at the same time. Okay, so over here, oh, this is like a wallet of some sort. So you can throw your cards inside of here. Oh, interesting, and it's magnetic. So you can just, interesting. Geez, it's like an endless supply of stuff over here. A 4-in-1 wireless charging dock.
Oh, wow.
Usually we see them max out at 3, but there's even space for an iPad. Oh, okay, and this thing is hefty too. Okay, so you've got your charging spot for your Apple Watch, iPad, AirPods, and your iPhone. Now, they're showing an iPad Pro here. iPad Pro has a USB-C adapter to charge, but this is Lightning. So it supports the older iPads. This doesn't seem removable, so I don't know. That's kind of a little odd. And last is another wireless charging dock. Oh, this is the Mag Bar. That carbon fiber look though is very nice. I like this a lot. Lots of cool carbon fiber stuff from Pitaka, whatever it really is. Dang, this stuff is awesome. And now I got a new case. All right, so let's see what we've got in this. Oh, I know what this is. So this is actually a cool headphone stand. Now, this guy I picked up because it's not like your typical headphone stand where you just plug it into your computer. This one actually uses a regular, it goes into a regular wall outlet. But one thing that's cool about this is that it also has 2 wall outlets on top, as well as 3 USB ports. So if you want to charge, you know, a few devices right on your desk, you're gonna have the ability to do that. All right, and it's a pretty basic headphone stand, but this is the kind of headphone stand that won't leave an imprint on your cushions for your headphones. So I like the look of this and I like the design choice. And boom, you know, you got your little RGB colors going through. All right, now this is some stuff that we also picked up from Micro Center. I got me an iFixit Precision Kit. I actually have one of these already, but we keep them in the studio, which makes sense. But I want one for home so that I can, like, you know, work on the PC that I have there, or pretty much anything that requires a screwdriver or any precision tools. So iFixit is an awesome brand for this kind of stuff. It's just high quality. And something else that I was super surprised to see are these guys right here. So Tile. Now, we all know what Tile's about. You put them on your keys, you put it in your wallet, you can track it down if you lose it. But I always use a company called Orbit because they had a stick-on that you can pretty much put on like anything. And this is, I guess, Tile's version of that. And it looks so much smaller than the Orbit one. So let me pop it up. Okay, I got further this time though. This is much smaller. So what's great about this is look how small it is. This means you can pretty much put it on anything. So if I even use my unboxing knife a lot and I needed to make sure I never lost it, boom, just put it on right there. It has an adhesive, so I can just peel this little sticker right off and stick it onto pretty much anything. And then I can just go into my phone, make it ring. If I can't find it, I'll be able to hear it, track it down. And it also has a little button up top so that, let's say you misplaced your phone or something and you see your unboxing knife, you just grab your unboxing knife, press the Tile button, and your phone starts ringing. So I am so happy Tile came out with this. All right, so we got one more for the P.O. box. Ooh, headphones. These are a pair of active noise canceling headphones. I've never heard of this company before, so I don't know what it's all about. Now, of course, this would require some testing, but let's at least take a look at what it looks like. Is what, made of leather or pleather? I'm not really sure. But the headphones, oh. Is pleather vegan leather? Is that what they call it now? Oh man. 2020, baby. The quality is actually not bad. I don't know how much these cost. Ear cushions are nice. If you guys are interested in seeing a video on these, let me know with a comment down below. Oh man, micro USB? Come on now, it's 2020, stop doing that. Let's go with this guy. Oh, this is a couple of things I ordered from Amazon. This is one I've been looking at for a little while now. This is the Corsair IRONCLAW RGB wireless mouse. All right, here we go. Oh, this looks pretty cool. Ari, thoughts?
Looks like a mouse with a tire in the middle.
With a tire. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, that's a pretty brolic scroll wheel.
Yeah.
That thing looks pretty. Well, the gamers out there can appreciate it. The ergonomics are nice. Anyway, you just killed my whole buzz for this. Moving on. All right, we're winding down. We're getting to the end. Boom, gift card. Thanks for staying around. Let's see what this is. This is a water bottle. Oh, we've seen a ton of these before in the past. It has a wireless speaker, dancing RGB lights. So we've definitely seen this in the past, but it kind of matches my outfit, so, well, all right. These exist though, folks. If you've never seen it, they exist.
Oh, what's that gift card?
Another one? Oh, Ari, come on, chill. Christmas just passed, we did a lot. Nah, I'm just kidding. Here's another gift card. Let's see. Okay, so this is cool. I picked this up. This is a solar panel for a Ring. I believe this is the spotlight. So we have the, the spotlight that we're planning to put up in front of the garage. So instead of having to worry about wired connections and, that kind of deal, it can just be solar powered. So it'll always be charged and ready to go and always recording and that kind of deal.
I'm really excited about this.
Right? But she didn't like the gaming mouse. All right, it's cool, it's cool.
So it has a built-in video?
No, this connects to the camera or I guess like the floodlights and then it'll charge it.
Got it.
That way we never have to worry about it, Blackout, no matter what happens, blizzard.
Cool, I got it.
If the city shuts down,
I get it.
we're good.
Next one.
No, babe, we're really good. You want to pick the next one, Carl? Go ahead, be my guest.
That one right there.
This one?
Yes.
Okay. Man, Carl knows how to pick them. Let's see what Carl got here. So what we've got over here, guys, is a universal adjustable neck mount for your phone.
I can see you using that.
You can see me.
That thing in our bed that time.
Oh, but that was, yeah, I did. If you guys don't know what she's talking about, we'll put up a little clip. All right, so we've got this guy over here. You open it up, you get your phone. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. This is kind of cool. Like right now, I'm walking around watching a cat open a door by itself.
Is that the TDK channel?
Yeah, we'll have them linked down below in the description. This cat's opening the door by itself. My hands are free. What's the world coming to? This is nuts. Carl, good job, man.
Thank you.
But that about wraps it up for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And look at that, this thing is nice and adjustable. But till the next video, guys, hopefully you enjoyed it. Shout out to all the companies who sent something out. But we'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace. You like this, don't lie.